Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find help on the Brawl Stars application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just click to the three line at the upper right corner of the home screen, and here click to the first button, the settings, and here you can find at the middle of the screen the help and support option under the parents guide. Click that, and in this page you can find different information about the application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.